Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are with the question, why do people practice racism? Why racism is existing? For that we have to understand our own mind. Mind is the middleman between the reality and ourselves. To understand racism, we have to understand our thought process. Who is a racist? Really, the mind is the racist. Thoughts are racist. Our mind always want to differentiate between people and people. We are very much attached to the things outwardly. We are attached to the birthplace, attached to the religion, attached to the race, and so many things. Why we are so much attached with these things? It is very clear in our day-to-day life. It shows inward insufficiency. Inwardly we are very poor. We want to become outwardly rich, but remaining inwardly insufficient. Inwardly we feel empty. That's why violence exists. All the negative aspects of life exist, for man is inwardly empty. We have to ask this question, who am I? This is the most important spiritual question. First of all, we have to understand ourselves. What part we play in the existence? That is very much needed. But people are unaware about this. They want to know about others, not themselves. First of all, we have to start with ourselves. Spirituality is concerned about ourselves and our own thoughts. First of all, we have to know that we are conditioned. Mind is conditioning everything around us. That's why we say we belong to a particular place and we are very much attached to it. And we often hear the sentence, the son of the soils. Similarly, language. We are ready to die for the language. We are ready to die for the sake of God. Everywhere we are in conflicts. Racism indicates that we want to live in conflicts. Mind is the place of so many conflicts. For that, to remove the conflicts, we have to observe our own thought process. All the things are springing from our own mind. Thoughts are creating differences between people and people. Somebody is white, somebody is black, somebody belongs to this race, somebody belongs to that race. All these things are done by the mind. Hence, mind is very much conditioned. Now, how to go beyond the conditioning? That is a question in front of us. We have to uncondition our own mind. For that, meditation helps us. Meditation is the cure for all the mental diseases. Whatever may be the problems, meditation is the only answer. We have to observe our own thoughts. By observing our own thoughts, we will be able to know that there is no difference between ourselves and the other human beings. All the human beings are designed in the same way. We are designed from the same reality. This is a fact. So we have to observe very closely. We must know how to look. We must know how to live a life with great significance. Life has great depths. We must be interested to know the depths of life. What we are having, only life. Life is with us. So we must know how to understand this life. Life is a free gift given by the existence. So we must not destroy that opportunity. All the human beings are born in the same way. They may speak different languages. They may have different dress patterns, dress codes, etc. They may speak their own languages, but we are very much attached to the outward things. But a real human being is free from all the things. For this, self-knowledge is needed. When we are with the self-knowledge, we will not differentiate between people and people. Then we will be able to understand what is existing here. We have to focus our mind on what is. The most simple thing in the world is what is. What is very simple. Spirituality is concerned with what is. That's a fact. We have to be concerned with the fact. We are practicing racism because we want to live in illusions. We must have an understanding about illusions. Mind can create so many illusions as it likes. So moment to moment we have to be alert. Then we will be able to come out of this problem very easily. Once again we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.